Hi, my name is Pritha Dubey, a sales professional turned a sales coach and the creator of Success Vitamin. A few days back, I had shared with you that there are 5 areas in sales where maintaining discipline is very, very important. And I had promised that I will share with you these 5 areas. So here it goes. The number 1 area is doing research before connecting with the prospect. Research about the individual, research about the business, and research about the prospect's industry. Even if you have just 5 minutes before you connect with the prospect, do a quick research. Connecting with a prospect without a research will make you ask questions which are very, very irrelevant and would make you come across as unprepared, and this gives a perception to the prospect that you are not even interested. Number 2 is prospecting. Every day, keep aside a fixed time to prospect. Don't run around everywhere without a direction. This is a very scientific approach, prospecting, and it should be done with a lot of discipline and sincerity. Even if it is 1 hour, but keep aside a time to prospect. You can even create a schedule. For example, Monday, connect on LinkedIn. Tuesday, prospect by connecting with certain associations. Wednesday, you would like to connect with the existing customers to collect referrals. It's your choice. Do whatever you think is necessary for your business to prospecting, but maintaining an hour, at least an hour every day to prospect regularly would benefit you a lot, and it would make your work easy. The third aspect is called follow through. Now, whenever we are meeting up with our prospects or customers, many times or most of the time, the deal does not get closed in the first meeting. There are certain actions that we would have committed. There are certain actions that we would have taken a commitment from the prospect. It is very important that we follow through on whatever actions we have discussed. Follow through helps you maintain a very positive impression on the prospect. The fourth area is a follow-up. The follow-through was actions. Follow-up is a behavior that we do to develop trust. Even if the deal has been closed, we were able to close the deal or we were not able to close the deal. Either case, it's important for us to follow up with the customer, to nurture the customer, to build relationship with the customer. Now, this prospect may not have become a customer for you, but if you continue to follow up with this prospect, there is a possibility that either you will get a reference from this prospect, or when there is a need, this prospect will think of you. And relationship building requires a lot of discipline. And the fifth area where a sales professional should be very disciplined is personal development. Many times the sales professional, because of having worked in a particular industry or a sector for a very long time, starts taking his or her skills for granted. Personal development is very important. For example, till a while back, till a month back, we were all very, very used to a face-to-face selling. And suddenly we got faced with a virtual selling setup, which we were not prepared for, neither did we have the requisite skills for that. We always need to be continuously improving ourselves. Every client is different, we know that. So one style is not going to fit everybody. If you are disciplined enough to continuously develop yourself and continuously improve yourself, you will find that you are taking lesser and lesser time to close a deal for yourself. These are the 5 areas where, as a sales professional, you should be very, very disciplined at. Introspect, find out where there is a gap in you and bridge that gap. Happy selling.